Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg sandwich for weight loss. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of whole wheat bread, which provides more fiber. Grab 1 or 2 large eggs for protein. Fresh spinach or arugula adds essential vitamins and volume without many calories. A thin slice of low-fat cheese can also be a tasty addition, offering calcium and flavor. This simple combination sets you up for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Now, let's cook those eggs healthily. You can scramble them using a non-stick pan and a light spray of cooking oil to minimize fat. Poaching is another excellent method, as it requires no added fats at all. For a quick option, hard-boil your eggs ahead of time. Remember, the goal is to keep the preparation lean, so avoid using too much butter or oil. With your eggs ready, it's time to assemble your delicious and healthy sandwich. Lightly toast your 2 slices of whole wheat bread for a satisfying texture. Place your cooked eggs, whether scrambled, poached, or sliced hard-boiled, onto 1 slice. Then, pile on a generous handful of fresh spinach or arugula. For a boost of healthy fats, consider adding a thin slice of avocado. To keep things interesting and support your weight loss goals, feel free to customize. A dash of hot sauce can add a flavorful kick without extra calories. If you're looking to further reduce fat and cholesterol, use only egg whites. Pair your sandwich with a side of fresh fruit for added vitamins. Remember to limit high-calorie condiments like mayonnaise to keep your meal light and healthy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.